Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you a quick and easy do-it-yourself of loose glitter nails. Before we get into the design, the items needed to complete the look are clear nail polish or a top-bottom coat. I will be using Sally Hansen's Double Duty Base and Top Coat. Nail polish, I am using Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel. Loose glitter, I will be using Go Create glitter packs. You can use any type. I find it easiest to use loose glitter in a small baggie to pour. Paint brushes or makeup brushes to brush off the glitter after poured, and a piece of paper to catch the loose glitter to pour back into the bag. Let's get started. I am starting out with Sally Hansen's Double Duty Base and Top Coat on all my nails. Second, I am using Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel number 249 in Pinky Promise. I will let it dry and do a second coat. If you have any excess nail polish on your skin, use a clean brush with acetone on it to clean off that polish. I will dabble a little bit of the Double Duty clear coat onto my nails where I want the glitter to be. I'm doing my pinky nail and my thumbnail full, and then my 3 middle fingers, I am doing them opposite of glitter on the bottom on 2 and glitter on the top portion on 1 of them. After you pour all the glitter onto your nail, shake the excess glitter off onto the paper. Now using a brush to clear off any extra loose glitter. Using the paper, fold it together to put the excess glitter back into the bag. Repeat this step on all your nails. To finish off the look, use your top coat. This will set the nail polish in, it will make it shine and help it to last longer. There you have your quick, simple, and easy do-it-yourself glitter nails. Thank you all for watching. To see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, bye!